Joanna, hi. What sound does a sheep make? What sound does a sheepy make? Eight months old. Kid genius. Hey, stay focused. Joanna, what sound does a sheep make? Can you tell Daddy? Yeah, you're close. What sound does a sheep make? Ba, 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 ba. Yeah. Okay, good. What sound does a cow make? Joanna, what sound does a cow make? No, that's a sheep. Alright, let's try chickens. Stay focused. Hey, what sound does a chicken make? You know this one. What sound does a chicken make? Ba. Oh, okay, well, she knows what sound a sheep makes. Good job. We'll teach you the other animals later.